Hello, and welcome to this proof of concept demo of Deckmate, presented by Royal Flush. In this video, I'll be walking you through what our game is, what we use to create it, and give you a quick demo of the game. We'll also go over some features that will be implemented later. Our game is called Deckmate, and simply put, Deckmate turns chess into a card game. Like always in chess, the object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. But unlike normal chess, your actions are determined by the cards you have. To make this game, we chose to use GameMaker, and all code is being written in GameMaker language. Welcome to Deckmate. This is our start screen. From here you can access multiplayer, single player, the card encyclopedia, the store, options, and also exit the game. You can mute or unmute the game from here as well. And you can also full screen and unfull screen. If we go over to options, here you can see the three main options in video, audio, and controls. Here's where you can change the game to fit your preferences. In audio, you can turn the volume up or down, and you can turn the sound effects up or down. Other video and control options will be implemented later in 492. If you press back, you'll return to the start screen. If we go over to the store, this is where players can buy new cosmetics like board designs or board pieces, using currency that they earn through the matches they play. You can see the total amount here in the top right corner. And you can browse through the different cosmetics via the arrows like so. You can't currently earn any money or purchase anything, but those implementations will take place in 492. Again, if you press the back button, it takes you back to the start screen. If we go over to the card encyclopedia, you can see all the different active, passive, and movement cards. Here are the movement cards. Here are the passive cards. These are all the cards you'll be able to use in the actual game. If we click the back button, it takes us back to the start screen. If you click multiplayer, you'll see coming soon, as multiplayer hasn't been implemented yet, but will be in 492. But this is where you'll see the browser that lets you search for games and choose who you want to play. If we go back to the home screen, you can click single player. Here, you can change the settings for how you want to play the game. You can change the time limit, you can change the player color, you can change the CPU color, you can change who starts the game, you can change the game state, and you can also change the CPU difficulty. When we start the game, this is what we see. You can draw cards from the draw pile, and when you want to play them, you can click on them and select play card. Active cards will go to the discard pile, passive cards will go to the right. The passive and active cards currently don't have functionality, but that will be implemented in 492. When you place down a movement card, it'll go straight to the discard pile, and you'll be able to move the corresponding piece. And when you do that, your turn will end and it'll now be the CPU's turn. But since the CPU AI isn't implemented yet, the opponent will take no moves at this action. But that is also something that will be implemented in 492. Here, you can also see the cheat mode. Here you can change the board color, you can choose change the player color and the CPU color. And you can also start and resume the timer, skip turn, and also reset the board completely. You can exit out of that by clicking the X, and if you click back, you're taken back to the home screen. And if you press exit and yes, you leave the game. And that is the end of this demo.